Alright, what is going on, guys? We are here at a car meet and with my buddy Mondo with his Lamborghini Huracan. Never rode in a Lambo before, so I'm gonna go for a quick little spin in this thing. My Uber is here. So in Mondo's 2020 Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Everything is just super aggressive, fighter jet like, and 7-speed automatic. Crazy red line. Goes up to what? Dual clutch?
Yeah, goes up to almost 9.
That's crazy. V10?
Yep.
Naturally aspirated. Wow. Those downshifts. All-wheel drive?
Yeah, all-wheel drive.
Carbon ceramic brakes.
All-wheel steering.
All-wheel drive, all-wheel steering. Wow. Those carbon ceramic brakes stop on a dime. All the little details. Really cool.
So this tells you how much torque you're applying to the front and to the rear.
Okay.
When you go into sport, it becomes rear-wheel drive.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Sport.
So a lot of the guys don't know that, and they'll put it in rear-wheel drive, and then they'll lose it. So if you ever see somebody lose it on Instagram or YouTube, they probably have that bitch in sport.
Wow. So this is just normal in all-wheel drive.
Yeah, so this is Corsa, which is the most aggressive drive mode. It's all-wheel drive.
Okay.
Harder shifts, faster shifts.
Wow. Man, those shifts are aggressive. Wow. Oh my. Man. I bet you smile every time you drive this car, huh? All the sounds it makes. So right now he has exhaust, titanium exhaust. Before the exhaust, would you say it sounded pretty different, or?
It sounded like you would expect a stock car to sound. It's
Okay.
pretty quiet, pretty muted.
Pretty muted, okay.
In Corsa, it was meant to be fully open and mimic like an open exhaust.
Yeah.
So
Open
it was
valve?
a little bit louder. Yeah, it has a valve.
Yeah.
But it wasn't as loud as this. The titanium really brings out the exotic sound.
Yeah. Dang. And from the factory, how much horsepower? Like in the 600s?
They're rated at 640.
640, okay. Yeah, I think it's a combination of the all-wheel drive and just how it delivers the power is just wow. So just came back from a little ride along in Mondo's Lamborghini Huracan Evo. First time in a Lambo, and man, this thing is aggressive. The downshifts, upshifts, everything sounds amazing about it. Brand new titanium exhaust that was put in just a few days ago. Sounds amazing, and I think it drives like what I thought exotic a Lamborghini would do, but a lot smoother. I keep hearing that people say Lamborghini's transmissions are real clunky, but the Huracan Evos have the dual clutch. It's not the single clutch like the older Aventadors. So yeah, it's just you put it in normal mode, you can cruise. It's not bad. Even at Corsa Sport mode, it's still, you can still have a conversation. So I think, yeah, best of both worlds. Sounds amazing, but not overbearingly loud. right, you guys saw a couple cinematic clips. Let's do a little walk around, 360 walk around. And the black is just so clean. Mondo always loves his cars black, and then eventually wraps it to the signature Mondo mint. The car is lowered 2 inches all around. Nice aggressive fitment. Alright, so hope you guys like that short little clip. Super impromptu ride along in my buddy Mondo's Lamborghini Huracan Evo. It's just so nice and humbling to see friends, you know, over the years upgrade their cars and attain their dream cars. So I've known Mondo for quite a few years now, probably over a good 10 years, and I've definitely seen the progress from his Subaru STI wide body show build, moving on to R35 GTR, moving on to his Audi R8 that went twin turbo, making crazy power, and then eventually the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. So super cool. If you guys have dreams, have a dream car that you want, don't stop chasing at it. So make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hope you guys like that short video, and catch you guys in the next one.